I'm going to show you how you can enter the photo mode on Stellar Blade. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. If you're using your keyboard, all you need to do is press the P key, just like this, and this should pop up. So this is the photo mode, and as you can see, there are a lot of different categories of things you can change. For example, you can change the motion blur right here. You can change a lot of display things here as well. You can put decorations like frames. You can see how good this looks like. And there are even custom frames like these ones. You can also put or remove the copyright. And you can also put logos. This looks very good if you are planning on doing like a wallpaper or something similar. You can also configure some lighting stuff, and you can save or load a preset of settings. Then another important thing you need to know is if you want to hide the UI, you just need to press the H key. You can do this on a cinematic, or you can do it on the actual gameplay as well. So let's go for the gameplay now. Okay, so now I'm here at the actual gameplay, as you can see, and we can do the same thing to enter the photo mode. So if you enter this mode at the actual gameplay, you will see there are different things, like this new category named characters, where you will see a list of all the different characters and things you can configure. For example, you can hide or display if. You can also see all the characters. In my case, I only have the main character. You can display or hide. You can also put different poses. You can change the expression as well. And you can even enable or disable the option for the character to look at the camera. So this way your suits will look just like you want them to look. You can also control the camera. You can move it, you can raise it, and you can lower it as well. So this is perfect. Let's do an example suit. Let's put a frame, let's put a logo, and now if you hide the UI with H, you can start shooting or doing the photos with the space key. As you can see at the top left of the screen, the photos are saved on that path, but you can also configure it to change it, so they will go to any path you want. So that's it. That's how you can enter the photo mode and do the perfect suits on Stellar Blade. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.